At the moment, Luke Mugridge is your number 16 qualifier, and he is the man who's in the auto glim lane at the moment. Frankie Taylor, number 14 qualifier, with a .103 light. So anything a 0 in front will move on up. See how they get on then. Frankie Taylor with the Banshee Junior Dragster, and Luke Mugridge with the J&L Racing Machine. He's in the auto glim lane. Let's see, can they improve? They certainly can. Luke Mugridge goes 09, but Frankie Taylor goes 03. So Frankie Taylor's going to move up into the number 6 spot. Luke moves up from 16 to 14. But good move there for Frankie Taylor.